So the word is out. Things are changing, but in a good way. If you're a student with us, then you've been using our student system called LearnStage. Well, we've been working on something new and we're excited to finally be able to share it with you. Introducing the new LearnStage. We've made LearnStage with you in mind. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. We've made a dashboard where you can easily access grades and progress without having to open up your courses in Canvas. Parents, you are going to love this. But if you do have to get into Canvas, it's just one simple click away. And if you find yourself a little short on time and don't have time to check your grades, that's okay. LearnStage will send updates to your email regularly. No more wondering where you're at or when you need to be done. We've also made it easier to update your account information and provide us documents. We want to make this process as simple as possible. We've also made it easier to track your payments with the billing section. You can go in there and not only see your payments, but also download a billing statement at any time. And as always, if you ever have questions, you can easily reach us through the simple and easy to use help desk feature. Our goal with this system is to give you more, but in a way that's simple and easy to use. We've put a lot of features into LearnStage, from the notifications that come through SMS to innovative ways to interact with your account. We've also designed it for the future. The system's been designed to allow us to regularly make updates and provide new features along the way. In the weeks and months to come, we're going to have so many exciting things to roll out to you. Thank you again for trusting us with your education. We're so excited for you to experience the new LearnStage soon. I promise you, you're going to love it.